We're going to talk today about miter saws. This one is a Skill Saw brand miter saw. Miter saws cuts angles. To actually do is you have this handle, you press down the handle, this button, and you turn this. It's really hard. You press down and turn. And that's what makes the turn this. That means you're gonna need to turn. We'll turn this. We'll turn this piece, or this whole piece. Miter saws are the saws that have a bag. This one has a bag, and to actually operate one, you have to press a button to actually press the trigger. These are kind of heavy. These blades are really sharp. I don't know what this is. Probably a tool for it. I think, yep, it comes with a little tool, and this is to actually to loosen. You press, and this whole thing might turn. Yeah. And you measure the thing in here. This is where you measure. This plastic thing helps when you're cutting because you don't have to get your hands on here. These are dangerous, but they're kind of a little safer to operate because you have to press like these. You have to press a button. Means you do is to operate a miter, you have to press a button and they'll turn it on. Some models come with handles. You actually pick it up, and this thing's not heavy. Comes with one of these to actually use. And this whole shield will open up, and you press this down. And there is dust collection. Miter saws do have dust collection. I mean, some of the debris will go pass through here into there into the dust collection. These are a little noisy. You can use this to cut angles, or you have to cut pieces of wood. If you had to like cut things. So really, a miter saw is actually used for. And there's a sign here. You have to follow all directions. This one's dusty. That's what it means. Has a stop means we should not do is operate these safely. Do not be like funny with this type of stuff. This thing's dangerous. Has a sharp blade in there. This one's a skill saw, and that's how you work a miter saw. You press a button right here on these buttons, you pull that trigger, and that turns it on. That's how you operate a miter saw.